Welcome to Commons West. This is a 5-story apartment building on the western end of the Ithaca Commons. We're here today to see apartment 204, a studio on the 2nd floor. Let's head on in. As you enter, you'll see your kitchen on the left with a refrigerator, a microwave, and an electric oven and stove. In the living area, you'll have 5 pieces of furniture: a desk and desk chair, a dresser, a full-size bed, and a bookshelf, as well as plenty of closet space. Every apartment has air conditioning and a heating element. You'll get plenty of light from these west-facing windows overlooking Cayuga Street. One great feature of Commons West is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up. Continuing down the hall, we come to the hall closet, narrow but deep. We'll finish with the bathroom. A nice bathroom with a shower tub combo and a vanity with medicine cabinet. Rent for Commons West apartments includes heat, water, and trash and recycling fees. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Commons West 204. Call us today for availability.